What's good, guys? Your boy ICT. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like my video. Make sure you share my video to the next other. Make sure you keep supporting my channel. Please support my channel so my channel can grow. This will be my second video since I bought the GFT account, or the recent one that I just purchased month of April. I post case a GFT account of 5k. I just want to tell you guys the updates, how April went, how April trading went. I was able to trade April, the market condition, the trends, and the narrative that I caught during the April trading month. Actually, I got the accounts on 11th, and after that 11th, I've been trading. Even the 11th, that was when I started trading. That was on Friday. I placed my first trade, and it went kind of well. Let's say it went well, but later came back and hit my break even. Now today is 1st May. Now on this 1st May, I'm going to review everything I traded during the last month, which is month of April, and I got the account. And I also tell you guys how the account is going, how many percent I'm down, how many percent I'm up, and the up and downs I've been facing on the account, the difficulties and improvements I've gotten so far on the account. That's what I want to show you guys. But firstly, let me dive into the dashboard so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. This is my account. As you can see here, these are I've gotten 2 accounts. I say the account is active. Is a trading drawdown. Today's daily drawdown is 270. Permitted loss for today is 10%, which is normal. Target, because that's what this is. I don't know. This is what I want to ask GFT on their Discord, because this I don't understand. Why should they be giving me for this? And I'm thinking this is 10%. Right, it's telling me to make 10%. Is now that wasn't the initial agreement between me and them, because I'm the customer. Between me and them, the initial agreement was 8%, right? The initial agreement was 8%, but now I'm seeing 10%. I'm meant to make 10%. I don't know why. Maybe after, if I make the 8%, I'm going to charge them up to convert to them and tell them why are they doing this. Why the 10%? Is it a new rule? And this is a new rule, we know. If you look at this place, this is my equity. It has been tangling within the starting balance. I'm telling you the gospel truth. It has been tangling within the starting balance, which is 5k, right? If I go up, I come down, it just has been 2.5% up, 0.5% up. It will come back to 1%, it's to 0.5% down. It will come back to the equity, which is 5k. That's how it has been going. Actually, on my trade, you remove kind of move, I'll return back and hit my break even. That's invalidate my trading and all that. This is profits, just like that doesn't mean anywhere. This one is different. This is profit split. That one is when you pass. Now the account is sitting still on the 5k after trading for the 1 month of since I purchased the account. Since I purchased the account will still be sitting there. These I'm taking 24 trades. The 24 trade is not like 24 trading days. That is how the thing is. I used to open 2 positions. You know, if you open 2 positions, they will count it as 2 trades on the same opportunity, and that's how the loss size you can see is still 0.72, even below 1 standard loss size. The average winning this thing is just 0.91 cent, which is not a good risk reward ratio. Win rate is 50%. Why are they counting it 50%? It's just simple, because when you move a trade to a break even, when they hit the break even, they don't count it as a loss, they count it as a profit. But in actual sense, it's a loss, right? In actual sense, it's a loss. But because the account didn't record any negative, they now see it as a positive stop loss, and they count it as a win. That's why it's 50% win rate, but it's not 50% win rate. I don't even think it's 25% win rate. If we count the break-evens as losses, I don't think it's 50% win rate. Average winning trade, you can see $12.92. Average losing trade, you can see my losers are way more, right? My losers are way more than my average winning trade, which means there's something we are lacking there. This is caused by the break-evens. Stay to the end of the video, because I'm also going to tell you why this thing is happening and what I'm trying to adjust on my journal. I'll keep adjusting till I succeed. That's all I told myself. I'll keep adjusting till I succeed. I want to show you guys the trade I took today. First May, the trade I took today. I took a trade on good, and the pair I've been trading on this account is just majorly good. That's what I've been trading on this account. Today's trade, this is good. Chat. Alright, how did I know that they were going to drop? It's so simple. But before I dive into that, we have other things to discuss, which is why was it a break-even month, or why is it that I was just a break-even month? Why? What happened? Both is consolidating. Let me show you the daily so you can confirm by yourself that gold is just consolidating, and it's kind of difficult for me to pin a trade and allow you to go to my direction very fast. Yes, there are days I lacked patience, which I will talk later. There are days I lacked patience. This is the daily time frame on gold here. If you look at it very well, you see that this period here we are consolidating, and this period was when I got the account. Literally when I got the account. Even though that, yes, around when I got the account should be, I got to the account on 11th, which means I started trading. But what happened was I was waiting for my setup. Even though I have a bullish bias, I have something like the entry pattern, the entry mode. If it doesn't present, even though I'm bullish, I'll still keep my arms. They kept moving, I kept my stance still. When they kept moving and they weren't giving me what I wanted, I was still patient. This day was Easter Friday, I think so. They didn't trade. Now this consolidation cost me a lot, both break even, using trade and all those dots. And this place here cost me lack of patience and chasing. Luckily chasing, just lack of patience. I was lacking patience to wait for my entry to occur, because during that time when it was bullish, it didn't occur that much. That's not a reason. As a trader, it don't be a reason. For me, it shouldn't be a reason. Let's just dive into today's trade. Let me just give the trade recap, how the trade went, and all. The first thing we did was to establish our bias. The first thing we used to do is just to establish the bias. Mainly we establish the bias. Yes, we know that today we are going to be bearish. Number one thing, we have ticked it, and the second thing was to mark the Asian high and the Asian low. There are two ways to trade this strategy, but dive into the strategy fully, because if I try to dive into the strategy fully, it's going to take plenty of my time, which I'm not here to do. The main thing I came to do is just to show you how my trade has been going and how the account is still sitting, which I've told you guys the account is just sitting on the 5k. I don't want to dive into the strategy, just mark the Asian high and the Asian low. There are two ways to trade the strategy, as I said. If you want to learn how to trade the strategy, maybe you drop a comment in this video that I should explain how the strategy goes. Majorly across all the pairs, any pair you want to trade, you just say specific time. We have time, I have time, we had distance of course. So we are trading based on time. Even though you work out or anything, you can still trade this market, any of the markets, any of the assets class. But I just find it very easy for me to use gold, because gold is volatile and gold gives me more move. That's just it, just the volatility of gold. That's why I'm using it. If you check other pairs such as AU, EU, is same thing. It happens. The strategy is the same thing across all the pairs. So do not panic. This place, when they got to this place 8:30 to 9:30, 8:30 consolidated. Now why did I say this consolidation wasn't even the reason why I said it was even the reason why I was doubting the trade, because I don't want to see 8:30 consolidating. But why I had a little bit confidence was this rally before this 8:30. So I knew already that okay, this 8:30 here that consolidated, what's the reason of the consolidation? I checked, I saw a 15 minutes. I saw a 15 minutes fair value gap or order block holding. So which made me to feel like okay, if this guy is going to hold, which means we are going to be selling the market. Now when I saw this order block and price have tapped into it, and we have some fair value gap and price have tapped into it, and they are showing some rejection, these are weak rejection, they are saying some rejection, can't do tell you the story. Immediately I saw that they are showing the rejections, I knew that okay, what we are looking for is just a set. Let's just continue the set and target the fair value gap imbalance, which I showed you in the daily time frame. So when this thing happened, I entered here. Why did I enter? Somebody will say, where is the return to fair value? I should have no. I'm trading within time. I already know that after we took this buy side liquidity, this is just a tap, and this candle that took this buy side liquidity dropped down and closed below this. Like if you are trading if you are trading candle, you see that this is an engulfing pattern. But not even the theory, but if you use the theory, it's just the same thing. Now this is an engulfing pattern. Immediately I saw it, and I knew that yes, we are targeting this place, and the Asian and the best side the place have been taken out. I will use this as an intermediate side, which means you shouldn't get to it again. So immediately they dropped, they started dropping. I was having confidence. When they were retracing, I was kind of, what was happening? Maybe I now noticed that yes, this is excessive liquidity, and they after they retraced, they dropped. Maybe it was 3 a.m. They dropped massively. I was just waiting for a little move to drop to my TP, but they couldn't. Now I moved already. I was having confidence that they shouldn't get above this high here. Why shouldn't they get above this high? We have this fair value gap. There is a fair value gap here, which they should have dropped to the downside, but I didn't see that happen, which was why they hit my break even here. This was my break even level. They hit it, and I got out. That's it. But you can see they trade pinned well. They trade pinned well. Why I kept my TP here, there is an imbalance there, the 50% of the imbalance. I just took it, but I couldn't ride it. I don't like all these type of things. My emotion, it kind of stays more in my emotion. Why do I say it kind of make me doubt the setup? So I just don't like, I just like assuming they just got in here, dropped immediately. Now that's type of good. That's what I know good for. But peace off, guys. Your boy YoungGuy_ICT. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's not been easy. The journey has not been that much easy, but we keep going. Do not stop. That's just mine. Do not stop, because if you stop, nobody's gonna help you. You just have to keep going. One day you are going to make it. Please, I know it's not easy. Make sure you trade with God. Trade with the Lamb. First thing I used to tell myself is, provided there is God, it's going to work out. Because in Ecclesiastes, you say we should pass our bread upon the water, right? If you check other version, I think it's in here, if you want the new revised standard version, yes, where it says invest in foreign currencies. For these days, you're going to make profits because you do not know what is going to fall upon the earth. It also says that diversify your income, divide your income into 7 places. He even say even into 8 places, because you do not know what is going to be for the earth. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you consider God when trading. Before you open your trade, make sure you commit it to God. That's just all I have to say. So YoungGuy_ICT, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Goodbye from my YouTube channel. Please make sure you hit the like button, like my video and subscribe my video. Please like my video and subscribe my video. Bye.